Hello guys, in Gujarati cuisine, besides muthia, patra, khaman, fafda, there is another very famous and light breakfast item, that is dokla. ચાલો આપણે રવાના ખાટા ઢોકળા બનાવવાનું શરૂ કરીએ. To make white rava dokla, we need 1 cup suji or semolina, 1 cup sour curd, 4 green chilies and 1 inch ginger peas. I have made it into a paste. 1 tablespoon of sugar, Eno salt, normal salt, water and oil. For tempering, we need oil, mustard seeds, asafoetida, 3-4 green chilies cut, curry leaves, and for garnishing we need chopped coriander leaves. Take a large bowl. We will now add curd, 1 tablespoon sugar, roughly 1.5 to 2 teaspoon of salt, half cup water. Mix it well. Now let's add green chili ginger paste. Now mix gently. Now this is the time. Now we will add semolina. Mix gently. Generally, semolina will soak water. So now we will add little water. I am adding half cup more water. Mix well. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now mix it well and whisk it for minimum 1 minute continuously. Now we will let it rest for 30 minutes. Minutes are over. Now we will keep the idli cooker to preheat with water. We will grease the dokla plates. After 30 minutes, as you can see, the consistency is good. The idli cooker water has now come to a nice boil. This is the time we will now add Eno to the dokla batter. Let's add 1 tablespoon full of Eno. Give it a nice mix. Now quickly we will pour it into the dokla plates. We will pour a thin layer of dokla mix. Pepper. We will steam it for 7 to 8 minutes on high flame. Taken out the dokla plates. Now after 1 minute of cooling, we will now cut it into squares. Let us transfer it to another plate and then we will put the tempering. After cutting, let us transfer doklas into a serving dish. For transferring, use a flat spatula like this. Wow, they are so soft and spongy. Now we will do the tempering. Let's start the tempering. I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil. Once heated, we will now add mustard seeds. We will add 3 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Once mustard starts spluttering, we will add asafoetida, 1 teaspoon. Now we will add our green chilies. Please stay little away from the fire station. Now let's add curry leaves. Mix it nicely and our tempering is ready. Now we will pour this tempering onto the doklas. Let's garnish our doklas with chopped coriander leaves and mouth-watering tempering. We can serve this white dokla with green coriander chutney, garlic chutney and hot tea. Friends, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Falguni Vidwans. Thank you.